Here we are sat on the Bavaria 36 at the chart table, just looking forward. I'll just stand up and take you for a walk around this interior. You see the dark cushioning, saloon table, access to the heads from the saloon, going into the four-peak cabin. I'll just take you in there, lots of space, nice little seating area, quite spacious on this 36-foot boat. Now I'll just open the heads, which is the second access from the forward cabin. See the heads there. And then that's the door coming in from the saloon. I'll just close this door and looking aft into the lovely sunshine. Going forward, facing the companionway and the galley. Port side of the saloon with all the safety gear currently stowed away. Let's take you into the galley area, currently with a dehumidifier to keep the boat nice and dry. Oven, galley storage, and the port side aft cabin. I'm just spinning around looking at the companionway, out towards the pedestal helm, and then looking at the chart table. And then the starboard aft cabin, again very spacious, nice dark cushions. Neat headlining, considering she's been a charter boat all of her life. She appears to be in pretty good condition. Again, if you look at the broker's comments on this boat, you'll see that she is able to go back into charter as a part-time option to help you finance the boat. So just spin you around, taking a look at the hatches and the headlinings, and bring you back down to the chart table.